This is the tutorial on how to randomize data on Microsoft Excel. Especially this is for randomizations of numbers on Microsoft Excel. So, if you first open this tutorial or this channel, on my channel I made some tutorials on Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, and download applications, and all of thing about tutorial on the device connecting to the computers or laptop or many things about it. So you can check my videos before. Okay, on this opportunity, I just want to show you how to randomize data on Microsoft Excel using many formats of numbers. It's random numbers, so you can use this formula to do this randomization. Equal to sign rand and then name, okay, gender. So from this data, from 10 numbers, 10 names, 10 genders here from each names. So we will do the randomizations for randomized data for game or for making a couple randomly without knowing. Okay, so this is the formula: equal to sign rand and then open the brackets and close the brackets, and then after this enter, and after this you can do the drag down to copy the formula. Okay, this is a random data. I do not know how Microsoft Excel do this because this is randomization. So it has a unique part. If you do small change or big change from data, for example from names or genders, so the random data will be changed automatically. So how to do this when we do not need to do the change on the random? Block all the data and then paste value. Okay, block all the random data and then please select paste value. So if we do the changes on the data, so the random number will be not changed. Okay, you can do directly the sorting list A to Z or Z to A. So if we need to make a couple or game on on this, so just random, go to random and then do the sort A to Z or Z to A. So you can make a couple from Fiona to Davy to Ned and Beauty and etc. That's a tutorial on how to randomize data Microsoft Excel. Hopefully this might be useful. See you soon in the next video and bye bye.